What grade were you in?
I was in second grade. I was 7 years old.
It was at the St. John Vianney School near Milwaukee in 1977 that Cub Scout John Pillmeyer was fondled by the man standing behind him in this photo, his parish priest, David Hanser.
The priest came into the room and said he wanted a volunteer to help him with some project. And so I raised my hand and he took me out of class and abused me.
The Hanser case is one of 45 involving sexual abuse by priests, detailed in the thousands of pages released by the Archdiocese of Milwaukee today. The files also document financial maneuvering by the church as lawsuits mounted. There was this 2007 request, for example, by then-Archbishop Timothy Dolan to shift $57 million to a trust fund just as the Archdiocese was preparing for bankruptcy. The move, sanctioned by the Vatican, was to provide what Dolan, now the Cardinal of New York, called an improved protection for these funds from any legal claim and liability. Jeff Anderson, an attorney for victims of abuse, said Dolan's motive was obvious.
To avoid having to pay the claims that they knew they were going to be responsible for having covered up sexual abuse.
In a statement today, Dolan dismissed such charges as old and discredited attacks.
And the files also include this 2003 letter from Dolan to the future Pope Benedict XVI, in which he argues for the dismissal of an abusive priest. And Scott, the letter included a warning from Dolan in which he wrote, "As victims organize and become more public, the potential for true scandal is very real."
Dean, thank you very much.